Hi, this is Mimi from Mimi's Paper Crafting. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are working in my December Creative Daily Journal for the third week. So let's get right into it. Honestly, I didn't want to come down here today, so it might be a super quick, short one. Just a warning. Had a bunch of errands to run on this day. Ollie's, the grocery outlet, Wegmans. And then we went to Target and I got a new blanket. The boyfriend and I have decided to do the Scandinavian sleep method because honestly, it's like a fight for blankets and it's not even our fault. I'm blaming it on the dog because a lot of times the dog will then lay down and like block us from being able to pull the blankets. So if you don't know what the Scandinavian sleep method is, that is the method of every beach person having their own blankets. So I had to get blankets because, I only have king. I have king for my queen size bed. Yes, I do. So we had to get blankets, and I got this sweatshirt blanket from Target in a twin, and then extra large twin, and it's so nice. It's such a nice blanket, you guys. We ended up getting a lot of stuff. Matt, the boyfriend needed to fill his snack drawer at work. His snack drawer was empty, you guys. Oh yeah, how dare the snack drawer be empty? But it was he's like, I have nothing in my snack drawer. So we went to a lot of places and ended up getting a ton of snacks to fill his snack drawer in his desk in his office. So, and he's filled it and we still have more to send because like when you go to Ollie's and the grocery outlet, you can find such cheap stuff. So we were able to get a bunch of really good stuff cheap for him to fill his snack drawer. So this day we ran more errands because it's like this is it. This was the last we were kind of leaving before Christmas. So we went in the opposite direction to run errands this day. So we went to Sam's Club and a different Ollie's. Okay. And then we actually found the viral tempura McDonald's nuggets at Sam's Club. We've gotten them before at Walmart, but this is a 5-pound box they're selling at Sam's Club now. But they have to be fried, you guys. You cannot air fry them. You cannot oven fry them. They have to be deep fried. We learned this lesson the hard way when we bought them at Walmart. They need to be deep fried. We also got a pork butt so he could test out the smoker because he did replace the heating element. He had to send back the old one and get one that actually worked. And this one does not say it works with our smoker, but it was the one that fit our smoker. Okay, there was no new crafting stuff at either of the Ollie's either, by the way. It was all crafting stuff that I've seen time and time again. And we had to go to the DMV, which was a pain in the ass. And then I finally broke down and asked my brother-in-law, my ex-brother-in-law. He's still my brother-in-law, and he's not ex to me. So if you hear me say brother-in-law, that is my ex-husband's brother, and he is my brother through and through, and I love him to pieces, and I will always love him, and he will always just be my brother. I love him so much. He is one of the best people in the world. So I finally broke down and asked him what to get his mom and dad for Christmas, because my ex-husband was of no help. It is fine. He pays no attention. He is so oblivious to everything. But he let me know to get my ex-mother-in-law Sun Cruiser tea that he won it at a golf tournament and she loved it. So I went to the liquor store and got her Sun Cruiser tea for my kid to give. He didn't want to go to the liquor store. I was like, whatever, I'll just go. And then I also grabbed myself something, and I'm like, I even said it'll probably rot in the fridge. It's still in there. I have not opened it. I'm planning on for Christmas Eve opening one of them. And then there's a 4-pack of, what the heck did I get? It was Malibu Pineapple Bay Breeze. RTD. C, is that what they're called? Ready to drink cocktails. Yes. The guy said it at the liquor store. And the boyfriend's like, that means ready to drink cocktails. He goes, I learned that at the liquor control board. It's class I had to go to. Made me laugh. And then we went to Weiss and I got lottery tickets. Yo, I won $20 on a dollar scratch off. But this meant that the kid was done Christmas shopping. He just had to get yet for his grandmother and his grandfather. And we got his grandfather because my brother-in-law suggested like anything for the deer or the birds. So we ended up getting a bunch of deer feed for him to give to him for Christmas. So that's what we got him for Christmas from my kid. Because my kid is just absolutely, you guys, he's just absolutely like worthless when it comes to picking out a gift. And it's actually quite annoying because he has me do it every year. And every year I'm like, you do know that I don't know them like anymore. I am just slitting so I can turn this into a pocket. Anyway, so I came down to the craft room this morning. What the hell was I doing? Oh, you guys, I swear to God, perimenopause is the worst. So I had a really rude awakening this morning. I woke up and I'm like, I really had to go pee. And it was like 6:30 in the morning. And I woke up and I'm like, I really feel like I got my period. Yeah. 9 days early. Like, it's the worst. Like, can I just catch a break? Can I just be done with it now? Like, can it be done? I'm so over it. If you count, honestly, you guys, you're all women. There's not very, I always check. There's really no men watching my channel. But if you like count how long that you have been menstruating, it's so long. It's so long once you reach like perimenopause and menopause age. You feel like you've been doing it forever. It feels like forever. All the money spent, all the ruined clothing, and you can't tell me that it's never happened because it happens to everybody. It's just so annoying. I just want it to be over. Okay, and we smoked the pork on this day. It was so good. And I made the peppermint bark on this day. Oh man, that's all right. I ended up, I'm so sorry. My throat is very dry today. I ended up making chocolate chip cookies, peppermint bark, and homemade marshmallows for the boyfriend to give to his employees at work. All of them were like bagged separately. I made cookie boxes out of 12 by 12 paper. If you saw that short. And filled those up, and everything was bagged individually. It was great. And then my neighbor came over to give me stuff that she got me in Disney. She got me a pen and this magnet because my favorite princess is Snow White. So she's like, this is all I could find, Snow White. And I'm like, yeah, Snow White gets no love. And I gave her Christmas present and she hung it up immediately. All right. So, oh God, you guys, like, honestly, some days I just wonder. So my kid filled up his car with gas. And then about 10 minutes later, the check oil light started flickering on and off. Then about 5 minutes after that, the car stalled out at a stop sign. Now, I believe it was the gas. The boyfriend and I both were trying to convince him to go somewhere else for gas, but he just stopped at this gas station that was on the way to where we were going and filled up his gas there. And the boyfriend and I kept both trying. Like, I'm like, go to Sheetz. Like, the night before, I was like, you need gas. Go to Sheetz right now. Fill up with gas. And he's like, no, I'll fill up with gas tomorrow on the way. I was like, okay, but like, you should go right now. Just go to Sheetz. Fill up with gas. And he's like, no. And then on the way there, the boyfriend's like, you know, you can just go to Turkey Hill. You can go to Turkey Hill and get gas. And he's like, no, I'm just going to stop here. And then the car stalled out. So, can anything else go wrong, right? Like right before Christmas. Like, you gotta be kidding me. I finished making the cookies and the cookie boxes and filled the cookie boxes and then the boyfriend took everything with him because I'm like, I am done done. Like, I was just done. I'm just done. And it's not even like I haven't even made Christmas dinner yet. Like, today's the, 22nd. Tomorrow I have to take out the chicken to thaw I'm making chicken cutlets and ham for Christmas this year. My kid does not like ham or turkey, so I try to make him something else for the holidays. So this year it's chicken cutlets because, you know, it's just easy. And I still have to make desserts. I have to make macaroni and cheese and everything else I still have to make yet. And I'm just like, ugh. Plus I have to clean. At least all the presents are done. Everything's wrapped. Almost. So my kid took his car to work this morning after I asked him nicely not to take his car to work. He took his car to work. I was so mad. He's like, it was pouring and I wasn't going to walk. And I was like, the amount of times that you've walked in the pouring rain and now it's like, I have a car, I'm not going to walk. I was like, whatever. So I made an appointment at the garage for him for 8 a.m. Yeah. Because if you're going to be a dick, I'm going to make an 8 a.m. appointment. This was a Friday, and it was his last day of work till the new year. He takes vacation like he's still in high school and gets like Christmas vacation. He takes vacation from like the week of Christmas to the week of New Year's. He takes vacation every year. Whatever makes him happy, and I don't care. Then I don't got to worry about him. Like, I don't blame him because it gets crazy, so I don't blame him. And I decided to make more stuff. Also, you guys, I ran out of black yarn and the blanket I'm crocheting. I only have 40 more triangles to make, and I'm done with this damn blanket. 40 triangles. And then I have one row of like single crochets to go around it to finish it, but that's not in black, it's in a different color. But I have 4 rows left. I mean 20 triangles left, and I ran out of yarn. And the only other black yarn I have was way lighter. I was so mad. And I'm like, I'm not going to the store to get any more because I'd have to go to Michael's, and literally Michael's is in the parking lot that the mall is in, and I don't want to go near the mall at all. I don't want to go near the mall. Like, I'm out. Not till January. So I really wanted to finish that stupid blanket before Christmas, and now I can't. I made chicken cordon bleu casserole on this day for dinner. The boyfriend got in from work around 2 a.m. Oh, I fell back asleep, which was great, but I woke up right before 8 to find out that my dad and the kid hadn't left to go to the garage yet. And I'm like, what are you doing? The appointment's at 8. And my dad's like, it's at 8:30. I'm like, no, it's at 8. I made it. It's at 8. So the boyfriend had to go into work twice again. The kid picked his car back up. They replaced the sensor. They thought it was the oil sensor. And then this whole thing about whether there was a recall on his engine for his car. We really have to go get the VIN number and check. Because the mechanic said there was a recall on the engine. If something happens again, he's got to take it to the Hyundai dealership. I'm like, ugh. So he went off to D&D for the night. I relaxed and knit. And then the neighbor stopped by to drop off her Christmas gift. My head was pounding. I was over it. All right. And then this was yesterday, right? Yep. I said, how the hell is Christmas just a few days away? No lie. How did that happen, you guys? Like, where did December go? Like, was it not just Thanksgiving? It feels like it was just Thanksgiving and it's already Christmas. I did finish one last Christmas present hat for my niece. I still need to make my mom a hat. So, but I did do that. Let's see. The boyfriend said he had the next 4 days off. He's supposed to go in on Tuesday. I think he had decided he wasn't going to go in, but now he might go in. I don't know. I don't pay attention. I don't actually care. I also had a moment where I seriously thought that I had solved my headache problem, you guys. Like, I was like, have I been drinking 0 sugar creamer this whole time that has sucralose in it, and I can't have sucralose? It like literally gives me a headache. And I checked and it does have sucralose in it. And then I'm like, all right, let me go check the dates of when my whole 0 sugar pre-diabetic thing started, and no, my headache started a year before that. So that's not the problem. Why would it be the problem? I was so excited too. I was like, oh, I think I solved it. I solved it. And no, I did not. I finished another skein of yarn. I'm trying to use up as much crap as I can. Like, I just want to use everything up. And then the kid got chilies last night because I did not cook. I told everybody they were on their own for food. My head was pounding and I didn't feel like cooking. So everybody was on their own. All right. And that was my week. And now starts the week of absolute madness because it is it's like, what, 3 days till Christmas? Tuesday, Wednesday? Oh, I'm wrong. You don't count today, you don't count Christmas. This was a whole argument. This was a whole argument on the way somewhere the other day because one of the neighbors, one of the people on my road has one of those countdown to Christmas things. And I'm like, how is it only 4 days till Christmas? And they're like, it's not 4 days. And they're count days. I'm like, well, you can't count today. Today does not count. And Christmas does not count. It's a whole argument. I'm going with you can't count the day that you're on as a day. And you can't count the day that you're looking for. So Christmas as a day. Right? Tell me down below. How do you count the days till? So today is Monday, right? You're seeing this on Tuesday, but today is Monday when I'm filming this. So that means there are 2 days till Christmas. Or do you think it's 3 days till Christmas? You let me know down below. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And you guys have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, because I don't think I'm filming a journal with me for the rest of the year. And I will see you guys in the new year. Yeah, have a great rest of your day.